In today's video, I am going to teach you how to hire a Squarespace expert. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Squarespace Marketplace. This is the place where Squarespace connects site owners with professionals who can help with design, setup, development, branding, and other website-related needs. If you are building a new website, improving an existing one, or adding more advanced features, the Marketplace is designed to help you find someone with the right experience. Once the Squarespace Marketplace page loads, take a moment to look around the main options on the screen. You should see two main ways to begin. You can choose Get Matched if you want Squarespace to guide you through a short set of questions about your project. This option is useful if you are not sure exactly who to hire yet, or if you want the platform to help point you towards suitable experts. You can also choose Search if you prefer to browse the expert directory directly. This option is helpful if you already know what type of expert you are looking for, or if you want to compare profiles on your own. After choosing the path that works best for you, the next part is to create your project brief. This is one of the most important parts of the process because it gives potential experts a clear understanding of what you need. In your brief, explain your main goals for the project. For example, you might describe whether you need a brand new site, a redesign, help with an online store, or improvements to an existing Squarespace website. Keep the information clear and focused so the expert can quickly understand the purpose of the project. As you continue filling out the project brief, include the features you need. This may include things like booking tools, product pages, contact forms, blog setup, portfolio layouts, or other Squarespace features that are already part of your plan. You should also include your budget and timeline. The budget helps experts understand the scope of work you are comfortable with, and the timeline helps them decide whether they are available to meet your deadline. You do not need to overcomplicate this section, but the more accurate and complete your brief is, the easier it will be to receive useful responses. Once your project brief is ready, you can begin inviting selected experts to view it. If you use the search option, you can browse expert profiles and look for people whose skills match your project needs. Pay attention to the type of work they specialize in, their experience with Squarespace, and how well their services line up with your goals. If you use the matching option, review the experts suggested to you and choose the ones that seem like a good fit. Inviting experts to view your brief gives them the details they need before they respond. After experts have access to your project brief, you can communicate with them directly through the platform. This is your opportunity to clarify requirements, explain any important details, and make sure the expert understands what you want to accomplish. You may also receive questions from the expert, which is normal. A good conversation at this stage can help prevent confusion later. During this discussion, you can also receive quotes for the work. Compare the quotes carefully, but do not look only at the price. Consider the expert's communication style, understanding of your goals, availability, and overall fit for the project. When you have reviewed your options and feel confident about your decision, finalize your choice. Select the expert you want to work with and continue through the platform to proceed with secure payment. Using the platform for payment helps keep the hiring process organized and provides a safer way to manage the transaction. Before completing payment, review the project details, the quoted amount, and any terms presented so you understand what is included, and that is all there is to it. By using the Squarespace Marketplace, creating a clear project brief, communicating with experts, and completing payment securely through the platform, you can hire a Squarespace expert with confidence.